pizza, and it looks like it pops out right here. Through the wall. That's it. Pizza. Oh, it's very hot.
Oh, it's really hot.
What do you think? Get some sangrias?
Sangria's on the way.
Realistic? Good? The original?
I don't know. Find out.
Alright.
Breakfast in Spain. There's sea glass everywhere. Thinking of you, Mom. The Tower of Hercules has served as a lighthouse and landmark at the entrance of La Coruña harbor in Galicia, Spain, since the late 1st century AD. It's the oldest operational Roman-built lighthouse in the world. The original lighthouse stood around 82 feet tall, and after the renovations in the 18th century, now stands 187 feet tall. It's kind of a neat place.
Yeah. Lots of stairs.
Lots of stairs.
Hey, there's the beach we were on.
We did go to that beach. Can you tell us a bit about this tower?
Oh man, put me on the spot.
Yep.
It's really old.
Yep.
Roman Empire times, like year one Roman era.
Year one.
Yeah. Something like that, and then it was a lighthouse, and then the light disappeared, and then they ended up using it as like a watchtower for like Vikings invasion in the 1200s or 1300s. Yeah. Eventually got restored, rebuttressed and changed, and lots of changes to it. How it looks today isn't exactly how it looked when it was first built. Like there are a couple different layers of this thing, but it's got a great view.
It does. So Kevin says this tower is said to have been built by Hercules. That's why it's called the Hercules Tower.
The myth.
The myth, the legend,
True.
the man, Kevin. It's like the busiest ice cream shop I've ever been to. Ice cream! Ah. Yes.
Yeah, so this boat had new electrical systems installed, including lithium batteries, a new high output alternator, etc. It's a complicated system, and what happened during our passage from England to Spain, the boat wasn't charging up the batteries when we were running the engine.
Got the solar panel out to see if it will make a difference, and Kevin is reaching out to tech support.
So right now I got everything pulled apart as best as I can, and took some pictures, and we're going to do some back and forth on WhatsApp with the electrician to see if we can't figure it out. So I found the parts from the store. Got this holder for a fuse, one of these little 10 amp fuse like the one in your, you have a bunch of them in your car. So now I'm creating this little connecting wire with the fuse attached that I'm going to use to connect one part on the alternator. It's the rectifier. The rectifier is a thing that takes an alternating current and turns it into, instead of like a plus or minus, turns into a pulsating direct current, and connect that to another piece in there. So I get to play a little bit of arts and crafts, connecting things, wire cutting things, crimping things. I got this cool crimping tool that's really satisfying to use. So I get the little red dot for the red sized pieces. Throw it in there. Don't fuck up video. I go plug it in into the cave.
But last night, Kevin seems to have sorted our engine charging problems. Woohoo! So now we're wandering and found this random little castle thing. I'm gonna check it out. Oh. So this is the cistern.
Nice view around.
What a narrow staircase. So we ordered a platter.
We didn't know what it was.
We weren't sure what it was. And we're still trying to be semi-vegan, but this is not a vegan platter. Neither is that really. Calamari, potatoes.
They're potatoes.
Delicious though. Another adventure of not knowing what we're ordering. That's typical Spanish, apparently. Traditional Spanish? Typical? I don't know. Delicious. Chocolate caliente.
I'm gonna replace this extra wire that I made. Kind of just force it into place. It's supposed to go around bolts on each end. This one was just kind of like a friction fit right on the engine, so I'd imagine it has potential to like wiggle out over time. So I'm gonna replace these ends with these ends so that they can't wiggle out. So that one's done. Before I go and install it, just do a continuity test on it. Alright. Now I'm going to install that. Okay, small fingers. Time for you to get in and install that. Because this has to go way down. There. It's very tight. Thank you.
Let's see if I can succeed. Magic.
Magic tiny hands. Straight faces. So that's connected, and then this end will go around the battery negative.
Almost at the top. It's a lot of work. And you don't have power winches. You're just using the manual labor. But yeah. Spanish poutine. It's pork. And I think there's cheese.
There's supposed to be cheese. I don't see cheese.
This looks pretty yummy. Scallops. Tonight is our last night in A Coruña, or La Coruña.
So La Coruna is Spanish,
Yeah.
and A Coruña is like Galico, Galician. Galicia is the province. So Galico, I think, is the language that is spoken here.
Yep. And tomorrow we're heading out with some friends that we made from Germany. And Kevin's going to show us where we're going here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all this area is like Galicia. It's the North Iberian Peninsula. It's the top of Spain. And we're going to go, we're in Coruna. And we're going to come out. Keep clear of the coast. There's some spots that are rocky, I guess. And then make our way into here. This bay, Camarinas Muxia. Uh-oh, I lost my page. There. Oh, wrong one. Nice cruising guide. We just got this, by the way. It's super fantastic. And so there's some southerly wind coming. And I think this marina, there's a marina in here at Muxia. And it should be well protected. But there are also some beaches. So I think we may see about anchoring at one of these beaches tomorrow night and then head into Saturday to the marina when the weather's supposed to get windy.
Yeah, we haven't tested out our anchor system yet. We actually need to put together a snubber while we're underway tomorrow. But exciting times. We're moving. Okay, see you tomorrow.
Adios.
Hasta luego.
Ciao.
Ciao. Ciao. Everybody says ciao here.
Tapas.
Tapas.